So guys, I would like you guys to watch this video to the end. Like, there is this video, this guy called Ken, Palace of Justice, blackmailed Evangelist Ebuka Obi. But in this video, Evangelist Ebuka Obi replied him. But before that, I want to say something to this Ken, Palace of Justice. Ken, Palace of Justice, sometimes you are confused. You don't know what you are. The same person that came out and said you saw Evangelist Ebuka Obi in your dream, where he told you that you're going to get money or something like that, and you came out and was apologizing that whatever you have said against it, that he's the true man of God. Now you came out again and said that with the prophecy, what he prophesied did not come to pass. What is the meaning of vision? Did Evangelist Ebuka Obi give you time, or gave you or say that this Supreme Court, this thing they are going to do, that they must release Nnamdi Kalu? Why are you blackmailing the man of God that is not even noticing you? But all the same, I don't have much thing to say. Guys, I want you to watch this video to the end. See where Evangelist Ebuka Obi replied this confused person called Ken Palace. The highest thing he would do now is just to start abusing, because he like abusing women. That's by the way. Guys, watch this video. Watch till the end and try and share this video. Drop your opinion on the comment section. Thank you.
Brother, because they said, let me come and remind you that they didn't release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu again, according to your prophecy. It's not going of Trafancha, Okutrafancha, Ometrafancha, Okumetrahelencha. I said, let me come and remind you that they didn't release Brother Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, according to what you said, that they showed you a revelation where Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is walking out from court. They still remind him in court. And I am wondering why you haven't prayed, or why your prayer didn't come to pass, since you said there is nothing on earth that you have said that have not come to pass. Why didn't this one come to pass? I have been seeing a lot of miracles in your church, whereby you will stay in Nigeria and pray. Someone that is in prison in London, in London, they will release him. He will come back to your church and do testimony. If your prayer can go as far as London and walk, why don't your prayer walk in the same Nigeria we are? If your prayer can go as far as go to China, go to Hong Kong, go to Nanyang, release someone at the creek there, why can't the same prayer work within the area in Nigeria, see Lagos, see Nigeria in the same area? Why didn't your prayer bring Mazi Nnamdi Kanu out, is what I'm asking. Or what people are doing in church, is it the more you look, the less you see? Or is it the less you see, the more you see? I don't understand. I want somebody to clarify me, because you said that in a future mad, you see everything about anything. It felt like that it came from bed, and you came out on your pulpit, the same pulpit that you have been staying and be seeing a lot of things, and prophesied that you have a revelation that you see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu walking out of Kiri. And everybody was rejoicing. Sorry, Zion.
Nnamdi Kanu yemecha puta. Masoro ndiro maso ha. Nnamdi Kanu ya puta lele na ndụ. Ọkwa anyị kwuru ekwu o. Ndị furu efe wure m na-akụ ashịrị. Oge m gwara gị na Nnamdi Kanu ya pụta, o nwere deeti m tirie. Agwa gị na very soon na ọ ya eme. Ndị uche eburu Ebuka Obi kpagharịba. Ebuka Obi, nwokere m kesiri m ike o. Ụzụ kpụrụ m kpuchiri m ike n'o. Mmụọ kpụrụ m kpọchiri m ike. Ị ga-anwụkwa ebe ị na-achụ m. Ị ga-anwụkwa ebe ị na-achụ m. Ị ga-anwụkwa ebe ị na-esogharị m. Ebe zoro ndụ m, ọ bụ n'ime Jizọs. Jizọs nọzikwa n'ime Chukwu.